This 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail SS279BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Opelousas, Louisiana, 70570 and is offered for sale by CrossRoads RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new CrossRoads is 29 feet 0 inches in length and features a granite gray interior, sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, skylight, water heater, air conditioning, auxiliary battery, LP detector, oven, slide out, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, outdoor kitchen, 2 entry/exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2025 CrossRoads Sunset Trail SS279BH is 6,270 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to CrossRoads RV.